Hello there, I'm Alex from the iOS Hackers developer community. Today we're going to talk about jailbreaking and hacking methods of iOS 12. Unfortunately, there is no untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak method for iOS 12 yet. But don't worry, there are so many jailbreak and hacking methods available for iOS 12. Okay, so here's everything you need to know. I will show you one by one. A new online jailbreak app installation method. From this method, you can install Cydia too. Semi-jailbreak IPA with cool jailbreak features. Install a web-based operating system with your iPhone, which runs simultaneously with default Apple iOS 12. Also, you can jailbreak this WebOS to install Cydia. Hardware jailbreaking for iOS 12. It is a very new concept for iPhones. Third-party app stores, specially designed for iOS 12. Thousands of third-party apps, tweaks, and themes are exclusively available on these app stores. Jailbreak app installation through a UDID registration method. Scam jailbreak. You should stay away from these guys. Okay, so want to learn more? We suggest you spend a few minutes. Let me explain in brief. Alright, so for the first one is the developer code extraction method. Enzahong online jailbreak app installer is the most popular app based on dev code extraction method. Currently, this is the best jailbreak solution for iOS 12 because untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak is not available for iOS 12 yet. Popular hacker Ruza recently updated this and Zhuang jailbreak app installer for iOS 12 to download a special version of Cydia and popular jailbreak apps. Currently, it is the only iOS 12 compatible jailbreak app installer. However, you cannot install Zhuang directly. Just download the jailbreak, Z jailbreak, or iExtra's app store to your iPhone or iPad first. Now, you can download the English version of Zhuang from any of these app stores. And Zhuang, it has a very easy installation process. You have to provide your device a passcode during the Zhuang installation process. Here's the Zhuang. Now, you can install hundreds of jailbreak apps and tweaks on your iOS 12 device with this awesome app installer. Just copy and paste the code to install the popular jailbreak and third-party apps using this awesome app installer. You need to trust the developer after installation apps from the Zhuang. Go to the settings, general, device, and profile management to trust the developer of the app before you use it. Next one is the IPA-based semi-jailbreak. It has two IPA-based semi-jailbreak methods for iOS 12. These are Ritz jailbreak and Houdini semi-jailbreak. You can install these IPA-based semi-jailbreaks through Cydia impactor tool. Ritz jailbreak is IPA-based iOS device customization method. It initially released targeting iOS 12 version. It is available theme packages, utility packages, source, and more device customizable features. You can download an unofficial Ritz jailbreak version right now. So Houdini semi-jailbreak is another iOS device customization method for iOS. So Houdini semi-jailbreak is another iOS device customization method for iOS 12. So here's the Houdini semi-jailbreak. I've installed it using the Cydia impactor. Once you install Houdini to your iOS 12 iPhone or iPad, you can disable system updates, hide app icon labels, add theme for the keys on the passcode screen, changing the badge count color, blocking system-wide ads, and much more. Now we'll explain about web-based iOS operating system. Apricot is the first WebOS for iPhones. You can run the Apricot iOS on your iPhone, which runs simultaneously default Apple iOS 12. Also, it is possible to jailbreak this Apricot WebOS virtually to install Cydia. Virtual jailbreaking process is very easy with this Apricot iOS. Check this out. Tap the unlock icon located in the bottom navigation bar. Then tap on Jailbreak Apricot OS button. Now tap Jailbreak Now button to start the jailbreak process. Okay, you have completed the jailbreak process. You can find the Cydia on the home screen of Apricot iOS. Here is the Cydia, but remember, you can only install the very limited numbers of the app with this Cydia. Hardware jailbreaking is another new concept for iOS 12. Hardware jailbreak is a process of getting impressive hardware functions to your iPhone through hardware programming gadgets. This was introduced very recently to the world of Cydia team. Currently, they have a few gadgets for hardware jailbreaking for iPhones. We can expect more awesome new functions for iOS 12 running iPhones with our new hardware jailbreaking gadgets in the near future. Okay, so this is another solution. Third-party app stores, especially developed for iOS 12. Actually, this is not a hack, but you can install hundreds of new apps, themes with these app stores. Almost every application are exclusively available with these app stores. Here are the most popular third-party app stores. Jailbreak is the best third-party app store up to iOS 12. It has jailbreak apps, jailbreak app installers, hack games, iOS themes, and online jailbreak support for all semi-untethered jailbreak, including Electra and much more. You can install jailbreak apps on the iOS 12 using Cydia, however you say that. Also, it allows installing Cydia on iOS 12, which is limited functions, as well as Cydia, exclusive with jailbreak app installer, online jailbreak, iOS themes, iOS wallpapers, games, movies, and many more. iExtra is one of the best third-party app stores for iOS 12. It includes jailbreak app installers, iOS theme collections, iOS wallpaper collections, third-party app stores, online jailbreak support, game collection, and much more. And more, iOS 12 jailbreak solutions and features. Okay, so Flemino is a new way to run computer operating systems on iOS 12 device. It has a large number of OS collections and simulators. It has a very simple installation process: Mac Lion, Mac OS 8.6, Mac OS 9.2, and Mac OS X 10.4, the popular OSs exclusive on Flemino. Let's talk about the iOS 12 untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak. We all know it has no official untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak method for iOS 12 yet. However, we hope untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak will release soon. Currently, most of the jailbreak developer hackers are working for the iOS 12 jailbreak. Already, following teams have proved the iOS 12 jailbreak possibility. So we can expect iOS 12 untethered or semi-untethered jailbreak tool from these teams. Here are the iOS 12 jailbreak approaches so far. A couple of days ago, Luca Torsico, the developer of the Yalu jailbreak, demonstrated about iOS 12 WebKit sandbox kernel exploit. Recently, Italian security researchers developed the kernel exploit for the iOS 12 beta 12. He successfully achieved read-write kernel access for the iOS 12 beta 12. As well, 360 Vulkan team successfully demonstrated iOS 12 beta remote jailbreak at Mosaic 2018. Vulkan team used Safari kernel bug for the iOS 12 jailbreak. A few months ago, Keen Lab members Liang Chen and Marco Grisi demonstrated iOS 12 jailbreak. They have used Hello World 711 jailbreak app to jailbreak iOS 12 beta 01 at Recon conference. One more thing, that is the UDID registration method. It is another jailbreak app installation method. Velonzi was the best jailbreak app installer based on the UDID registration method. It was compatible from iOS 10.3.3 to iOS 11.4.1 versions only. Still, iOS 12 is not compatible with Velonzi, and it has discontinued by the Velonzi developer. Alright, so I will tell you about iOS 12 scam jailbreak. Now, we're well aware that not any semi-tethered or untethered jailbreak is out there for the iOS 12 yet. But some websites and YouTubers offer you iOS 12 semi-tethered or untethered jailbreak download links to install Cydia. Those are completely fake, guys. Here's how to spot the fake jailbreak and avoid getting scammed. Alright? Download.net.ua, absolutely fake site. They run a YouTube channel as a madman to show YouTube videos to prove Cydia installation is real. Alright, also they pretend as iOS jailbreak exploit and toolkit developer in the name of Alex Saylor. Alright, so another one. Okay, Electrolyzed, another madman YouTube channel fake tool. The same fake madman YouTube channel and fake toolkit developer Alex Saylor promotes this Electrolyzed version 1.2.0 to jailbreak iOS 12 for Cydia, but nothing installs except the warning message. Not recommended to run this tool on your Windows computer. It may harm your PC. Alright, iOS 12.site, another fake iOS 12 jailbreak site, guys. As the iTutorial YouTube channel, they promote fake Pangu jailbreak tool for all the latest iOS versions. Last time they had a targeted iOS 11 to 11.4.1 jailbreak using the iOS 11.site. They usually never target beta versions. After the final release of iOS 12, they will promote the Pangu jailbreak tool for the iOS 12 as well. Alright, that's it. You can find all download links from these jailbreaking and hacking methods on this page, Pangu 8 iOS 12 jailbreak page. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to support our ad-free YouTube channel. If we could find a new jailbreaking or hacking method, we will update this video to the new version. Please check the description to find the upgraded video about iOS 12 jailbreaking and hacking.